In this video, we will show you how to make a sticky column and how to add a link in a column. We will use this page from our main demo. And as you can see, this column stays static when you scroll. And also this one. So let's see how we can add this beautiful effect. We go to WP Bakery Page Builder Editor and we click to Edit Column Settings. In the Effect tab, we will find the Sticky Column option. We turn it to Yes, and we can also add a top offset. We click Save Changes and that's it. Let's do the same in our second column. Effect tab, Sticky Column, Yes, and here we will add a top offset in pixels. Save changes and we're done. Now let's see how we can add a link in the whole column, like here. Cool, right? We go back to our editor and in column settings, General tab, we will find the Add Column Link option. We turn it to Yes and we click to add the link URL. We click Set Link and Save Changes. Update, and that's it. It is so simple to add these column effects in Impeka. Thank you for watching.